Welcome to Tool Tech Geek. This is the Victorinox Rambler. I want to see if it's suitable for small electrical kind of emergency repairs. The Philips has a certain amount of reach, which is good to take apart enclosures as long as this distance works. And then we have the other feature, which is this notch for wire stripping, and then you have the blade. So I'm trying to see what's the best way to use this for wire stripping. This can hold the wire in place. The blade can make a cut. We don't need to overdo it because these wires can just get damaged if you cut it too much. So this is a bit a trick of doing with the right amount of pressure. I'm gonna pull now. Yeah, okay. So this has been stripped, and I also tried with these other ones. Seems like it works, no big deal. Thank you for watching.